All right, it's July 7th, 2020. I'm out here at the pump. So as you can see there, that stuff is pretty disgusting. But that steady little stream there just keeps bringing water in. I just got done kind of clearing it out, and it's full of that dark mud. It's just gross. But my pump has been spitting out. It's been spitting out all that mud. And as you can see, it's all mucky here. I'm gonna have to clear this up soon, but I was just watching nothing but dark mud come out of the end of this pipe here. We'll follow it all the way down. And as you can see here, here's what we got coming out. That stuff is gross, but we'll just watch it here. All right, so our water is fairly clear for the most part. It's still a little yellowish, but I'm gonna go grab a carton of milk, not a carton of milk, a gallon of milk container, so that we can fill it up and see just how clear that water is. Like I said, this isn't the clearest water. It definitely isn't drinking water or potable water. But we're gonna go ahead and fill that empty milk gallon up, and we'll see what the water looks like then. All right, so I actually got another bottle, which is a bottle of water, just so that we can see clearly through it, because as you can see with this one, you can't see through it. We'll go ahead and fill them up. And that stuff looks like compost tea almost. It is definitely not clear. But the whole purpose I wanted to do this video was to show you that this pump can also handle water that isn't clear. Also keep in mind, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not working with FLUENTPOWER. I'm just showing all the gardeners and farmers out there. I'm sharing this because this little pump does wonders for me. There you can see, this water is anything but clear, and it does perfectly fine. This pump just continues to run it, regardless of how gross that water is. I know there's only a certain amount of sediment that this little pump can take, so don't push the limits. I don't think you can pump sand through it, that's for sure. This is more like loose mud. So because the water's continuously moving down there in that little stream, I think the pump is able to manage it, because as long as there's water in it, and most of it is water, it can go ahead and pump that stuff out. But like I said, it can handle situations where the water isn't completely clear. So that concludes this video. I hope this helps some of you out there who are looking for something like this. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not working with FLUENTPOWER on any of this. I just really felt the need to share this with you guys out there, because this little thing is great. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.